This is Ranger Kidwell Ross. We're at the National Pavement Expo 2013. I'm sharing time with Bruce Burrow, and Bruce is a general manager for it's Topper Manufacturing, but they're making the WhartHog sweeper brooms. And Bruce is going to talk about their line of WhartHogs. And if you haven't seen the WhartHog line, it's definitely an interesting one. Compared to a standard sweeper broom. So talk about it, Bruce.
Sure. Actually, Topper Manufacturing is our company. We've been in the steel business for about 35 years. We're family owned and operated. We started the division WhartHog street sweeper brooms about 3 or 4 years ago. It's a very unique product. There's not really another product out there on the market quite like what we have, quite as aggressive as our brooms. As you can see over here, we have a couple different models. The first being our general sweeping. All of our brooms, including the general sweeping broom, last 3 to 5 times longer than any other broom that's on the market. Part of that reason is the angle that the brushes are welded to the steel plate. It requires less down pressure from the operator, thus saving some of the life of the broom and some of the wear. One of the things that we've incorporated in our broom is a wire rope system. What this allows you to do is actually bring up some of the caked on dirt and mud that you find on like new construction, or cut weeds that you'll find in some gutters that you actually have to have somebody go out by hand and actually pull up.
So you can eliminate some of that. And when you talk about aggressive, folks, you've all seen gutter brooms. Look at, now that's aggressive, and it's not the most aggressive. So
exactly.
And let's look at. They're going to want to know how these are welded in. So that's the plate. You're going to replace this system when you do need another gutter broom.
And I'd like to talk about that a little bit too, because it's actually one of the nice features, one of the kind of unique things about our broom. It's a one-piece steel plate. It's not 4 or 5 different sections that you have to go around with 10 or 12 different bolts and mess around with. What we actually do is weld the studs for your particular model right to this steel plate. So all you have to do is set the broom up, put 4 or 5 different nuts on, and away you go. So you're saving a lot of time in the shop changing out brooms when you have to. And we all know that the more time the sweepers are out on the streets doing their job, the more money that the company is making. So that is probably one of the nicest features and one of the biggest compliments that we get. Down here we have what's called our Super WhartHog model. This is actually the most aggressive broom that's on the market right now. It actually will take rubber off of runways, NASCAR tracks, heavy caked on dirt, mud, tar. It is very, very, very aggressive.
To give you an idea here, I'll put my hand on this and you can get an idea of what you're looking at here. What size cable is this?
That is 1/2-inch galvanized cable. We coat it with a clear plastisol coating. What that does is it protects the rest of the rope from fraying until it's actually needed by the operator. So only the part that's actually sweeping is going to wear, not the whole cable won't fray out.
Makes sense. Okay, how can somebody find you?
We are online. We are currently at streetsweeperbrooms.com. We have a number of dealers set up all over the U.S. and in Canada. Otherwise, you can contact us direct at Topper Manufacturing or www.toppermfg.com.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Bruce.
Thank you,
and,
sir.
And if you're in the market for a heavy-duty gutter broom for dense applications, or looking for a gutter broom that is not that, but you want a little more durability and wear out of, take a look at this product. It's certainly unique in the marketplace. So, thanks again.
Thank you.